Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get trending zoom earth effect on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on Capcut. And first of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline. And then we're going to go to the effects menu. And you're going to choose video effect. Make sure that you choose video effect here. And then you're going to search for earth zoom effect. Okay, let me search for it. Okay, and this is the earth zoom effect. You can download the effect, and after the effect has been downloaded, you can apply the effect to your video. Okay, wait, it's still loading guys. Alright, and then I'm going to apply it to my video, and let's see how the effect looks like. But you can customize the speed here. You can increase the speed or make it slower. Okay, and let me play it guys. Okay, I'm going to make it slower like this. And if you want to make it more captivating guys, you can add music or add another transition. And okay, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.